afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello,
Yeah.
good afternoon. Welcome to my class and welcome to 5-1 Talk. My name is Teacher Desalme. How about you? What is your name?
My name is Teacher Nita.
Wow. Hello, Nita. Nice to meet you. How are you today, Nita?
I'm
How are you
happy.
today? Wow, that's good to hear. Okay, so now are you ready for our class? Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So now here we go. Listen to me and look at me. Okay, so now Nita, listen, click and say. Okay, so now say, say pen, pen.
Pen.
Okay, pen. Click your answer. What is the missing letter? Okay, say pig, pig.
Pig.
Say it first. Okay, pig.
Oh, what the fuck?
Okay, say bug.
Bug. Bug.
Okay,
Bug. Bug.
bag. Okay, very good. So now here we go, Nita. Teacher will give you 5 magic stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 magic stars. Now let's go to the
And
next page.
I
Next page.
want top.
Okay, what can you see in the picture? What can you see?
I see a boy and his mommy.
Okay, very good. So now here we go. Let's read the title. Say, it is 7 o'clock.
It
It
is
is
it is
7.
7 o'clock.
Okay, very good. O'clock. Okay, so now let's sing the song. This is the way. Wash your face, wash your face. This is the way you wash your face so early in the morning.
What you say? What you say?
This is the way you wash your face, wash your face, wash your face. This is the way we wash our face so early in the morning. Wash your face, wash your face. This is the way we wash our face so early in the morning.
What you say? What you say? This is in morning. Then you wait in the morning. What you say? What you see?
Okay, very good. So now here we go, Nita. Teacher will give you a great job award. Okay, so now let's go to the next page. Okay, Nita, let's have our word fun, 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 word fun. Word fun. Okay, so now here we go, Nita. Let's have our word fun. Let's learn some words. Okay, so now say,
Wait.
wake up. Okay, so now please read the sentence. Say, wake up. Wake up.
Where
It's
are
time to go to school.
you time
It's
to go
time.
to school?
Very good. It's time to go to school. Okay, how about this one, Nita? Okay, wash,
What?
wash, wash.
What
Okay, wash my face, wash my face. This is the way I wash my face so early in the morning. Okay, how about this one? Let's read the sentence. Okay, say, I wash my face. I wash my face. Say, I wash my face in the morning. In the morning. Okay, how about you, Nita? Do you like to wash your face early in the morning? Did you wash your face early in the morning? Yes? Yes? Okay, do you like to wash your face early in the morning? Yes. Okay, that's great. So now how about this one? Okay, breakfast. Okay, so now say breakfast. 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 Okay, so now say I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast in the morning.
Okay, I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock. Okay, say it again. I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock. Okay, how about you, Nita? What time did you eat your breakfast? What time did you eat your breakfast?
8 o'clock.
Okay, so now say I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
Okay, say it again. I
I eat breakfast
eat at
at
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
Okay, very good. So now how about this one? Okay, it's game time. Game time, Nita. Game time, Nita. Game time, Nita. Game time, Nita. Game time. Okay, so now Nita, let's play a game. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
So now this is Nita and this is teacher. Okay, so now Nita say, wake up.
Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up,
Okay, look at teacher say, wake up.
wake
Wake
up,
up.
wake
Okay,
up.
wash my face.
Wash
Wash my face.
my face.
Eat breakfast.
Breakfast.
Okay, very good. Nita, so now teacher will give you your superstar. Okay, and your 5 magic stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so now let's go to the next page. Okay, Nita, look what can you see in the picture. Say the words.
Breakfast.
Okay,
Breakfast.
breakfast.
Wake up. What you say? What you say? Breakfast. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. What you say? What you say? What you say? Breakfast. Breakfast. Breakfast.
Wow, you got 7. Okay, so now here's your 7 scores. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now Nita, let's go to the next page. Okay, Nita, let's talk, Nita. Let's talk, Nita. Let's talk, Nita. Let's talk, Nita. Let's talk. Okay, so now Nita, let's talk. Okay, let's hear the audio first. Mm. Okay, Nita, here we go. Say, please wake up, Shawang.
Please
Please.
wake up, shower. Wake up, shower.
Okay, I'm awake.
Wake.
Okay, say it again. Okay, I am awake.
Okay, I'm awake.
I am awake. Okay, so now here we go. How about this one? Okay, please wash your face.
Okay, I want you face.
Okay, so now say it again. Please. Say please wash
Please.
your face. Wash your face.
Wash your face.
Okay,
Okay,
I will wash
I will wash my face. Okay, I will wash my face. Okay, I will wash my face.
Okay, good job. So now here we go. How about this one?
What time is that?
Okay, what time is it? What time is it?
It's 7 o'clock.
It is 7 o'clock. Please eat your breakfast. Okay, say it again. Please eat your breakfast. Okay, very good. So now here we go. Teacher will give you another 5 magic stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so now Nita, how about this one? Okay, so now Nita
It's
say
time to
it's
cool. Oh no. Time
okay,
to
it's time
cool.
for
Oh
school.
no.
Okay, listen to teacher
It's time
say
for
it's
no.
it's time for
cool. Oh
school.
no.
Hurry,
Oh no.
hurry,
Hurry up. Up.
hurry, or
Are you late?
you'll be late.
You'll be late.
Okay, so
and
now here we go.
to,
Hurry or you'll be late.
yeah. I like
Okay, so now it's game time, 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 Nita, game time. Okay, so now Nita, let's play a game. Okay, say please wash your face 3 times. Please wash your face. Please wash your face. Please wash your face. Okay, it's your turn. Go.
Left,
Please.
left your face. Wet your face. Wet your face.
Please wash your face. Wash your face.
Wash your face.
Okay. How about this one? Please eat your breakfast.
Please eat
Eat,
your breakfast.
please.
Please eat your breakfast. Please eat your breakfast.
Okay, so now how about you, Nita? What do you like to eat? What do you like to eat in your breakfast?
I like that either.
You like rice?
Yes.
You like to eat the rice in your breakfast?
Yeah, and egg. And
Okay,
toast.
okay, teacher will give you rice and what? Rice and
Egg.
rice, egg?
Yeah.
Okay, rice and egg. What else?
Oh.
And soup? Soup?
Yeah.
Okay, soup. What else?
Egg.
How about chicken? Do you like to eat chicken?
Ooh, that is chicken.
Oh, wow. Okay, teacher will give you fried chicken. Oh, banana too. Chicken, banana. Chicken, banana. Banana, banana. You like to eat banana? You like to eat banana? Okay, chicken and banana. Okay, what else?
Banana. Chicken, banana, banana, see?
Yes. Okay, so now you have chicken, banana, rice, egg, and soup. Okay, good job. So now here we go.
Chicken. Soup. Chicken,
Yes.
banana.
Okay, chicken, banana. Good job. So now here we go. Teacher will give you a great job award. Okay, here's your great job award. So now here we go. Okay, Nita, let's go to the next page. Okay, act and say. So now say stop. Nita.
Stop.
Okay, what is he doing? Okay, so now say please eat
Please.
breakfast.
Here is your breakfast.
Okay, so now Nita say stop.
Stop. Stop.
Oh, oh, what's that? Please, please.
Please wash your face.
Okay, please wash your face. How about this one? Say stop. Okay, please.
Wash your hands.
Okay, please wash your hands. Good job. How about this one? Stop.
Stop.
Please.
It's time to bed.
It's time to bed. Oh, it's time to wake up. Please wake up. Okay, so now here we go. Let's continue. Okay, so now Nita. Okay, let's have a role play. Okay, you will be the baby rabbit and teacher will be the mommy rabbit. Okay, so now say, what time is it, mom? Say, what time? It is 7 o'clock. Okay, so what time is it, Nita? It's 7 o'clock. Okay, so now Please, okay, please wash your face. Okay, okay, I will wash my face.
I will.
ตั้งใจเรียนหน่อยเร็ว
I will wash my face.
I will wash my face.
Okay, so now here we go. Okay, Nita, we're almost done. Let's read the keywords. Okay, what's that? Wake up.
Wake up, wash your face. Wash.
Okay, wake up, wash, and breakfast. Okay,
I have
breakfast.
I have breakfast. Why you have so like chicken banana?
Please wash your face. Okay,
Wash your face.
please eat your
Please wash.
breakfast.
Please
Please eat.
wash. Please eat your breakfast.
Okay, please eat your breakfast. Okay, so now Nita, order and say. Okay, so now can you write which picture shows number 1, number 2, number morning? I wash my face
In the morning.
and eat breakfast.
In the morning.
Okay, I wash my face.
In
Say, I
the
wash
morning.
my face. Follow teacher. Say, I wash my face. Listen. I wash my face and eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
Then I go to school.
I go to school.
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 Okay, say it again.
School.
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 Okay. So now, Nita, that's the end of our lesson. Let's sing the goodbye song. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. Bye bye. Okay, thank you so much, Nita, for having me as your teacher and for booking a class with me. I'm so happy. Okay, thank you. And okay, you did great. Always remember the. Okay, and don't forget the keywords and practice reading if you have your free time, okay? Okay. Bye-bye. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Okay.